Welcome to our brief overview of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, with particular focus today on what Business Central has to offer manufacturing companies. Business Central is an on-premise or cloud-based ERP solution which will help streamline, manage and grow your business. It's both flexible and scalable and will bring immediate efficiencies to your operations. Whether you're a discrete, repetitive, process or job shop manufacturer, Business Central is the solution to optimize your operations. It gives you complete visibility and control over what's happening on the shop floor. Business Central provides full manufacturing control with product design, capacity and routing management. It provides full MPS and MRP replenishment capabilities, as well as providing production order cycle planning and release. This ensures visibility across all of your manufacturing activities, with full drill down capability, ensuring that bottlenecks are a thing of the past. So whether you are a make to order, make to stock, or even a light manufacturer, Business Central will enhance your business processes and fast track your growth into the future. Talk to ProStrategy about your requirements. We have a solution to fit your business.